Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your Outlook account to the Gmail app on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app. If this is your first time using Gmail, tap on Add Account. If you already have a Gmail account added, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, scroll down, and select Add Another Account. From the list, choose Outlook, Hotmail, and Live. Enter your Outlook email address, and Gmail will ask you to verify it with your recovery email. Type in your recovery email and tap Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it and then tap Yes, so you do not have to type your password every time. After that, tap Accept. Finally, tap Next and then Next again. And that's it. Now you know how to add your Outlook account to the Gmail app on your Android device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.